Hello friends, this morning I'm here at the Aztec Caves. I celebrated my birthday yesterday, and it isn't my tradition that I go for a hike alone, just to reflect on the previous year and where I'm going in the following year. Just feel that every birthday gives us an opportunity to see where we're at in life and where we're gonna go next, right? There's always room for improvement, what you're doing right, what can you do better. Hiking gives me a great opportunity to be alone with myself, with my thoughts, and just be out in nature and reflect, you know, where I'm heading in life. So this morning, I'm here at the Franklin Mountains in El Paso, Texas, and I'm hiking to the Aztec Caves. That's a very it's a beautiful place, and it means a lot to me because I have brought about 3 times I have brought groups of yoga students here to do yoga inside the cave, and it's always such a great experience, great energy. And so I thought about coming back here. I haven't been here in probably about 2 years. Now this year I'm here, and as you can tell, I'm a little out of breath, but but I'm having a great time already. So see you up there inside the cave. Bye. So this is it, friends. We have arrived. Find yourself in child's pose. Spread the knees as wide as your mat. Your toes are touching. Sitting on your heels, extending your arms forward. Resting your forehead on the mat. Take deep and long inhales through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Breathe in deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Begin to bring your awareness to the tip of the fingers, opening and closing your hands as you gently lift up your chest, aligning your shoulders to your wrist and your hips to your knees. Flow your hips around in one direction, looking at the top of your mat, and flowing in the opposite direction. Bring your body back to center. Walk the hands forward. Inhale, drop the hips, chin up, in cobra. Exhale, passing through child's pose. Inhale, coming forward, in cobra. Exhale, take it back, in child's pose. Inhale, come forward in cobra with your shoulders down and back. Begin to move your head side to side. Bring the chin down, following the collarbone, stretching the back of your neck. Move your head side to side. Bring your body back up. Find a seated position on your mat. Extend your legs forward and slowly begin to lay down on the ground. Draw the right knee onto the chest. And then switch legs, drawing the left one. Draw both knees onto the chest. Circle the knees around in one direction. And then moving in the opposite direction, massage the lower back. Draw the right knee onto the chest one more time. And this time, find the edge of your right foot coming into a half happy baby. Align your ankle to your knee. Switch legs. Draw the left knee onto the chest. Reach for the edge of the left foot. Bring your knee closer to the side of your torso. Align your ankle to the knee. And then slowly bring the leg down, extending your arms overhead. Give yourself a long, tall stretch. Draw both knees onto the chest. Cross your legs, reaching for opposite foot with opposite hand. Rock back and forth, get enough momentum to sit up. Extend your legs forward in Dandasana. Flex your feet. Inhale, bring the hands up to the sky, passing through your heart. Reach forward. Reach for your toes or your ankles. Relax your head as you move your head side to side. Shake your head yes and no. Maintain the chest low and heavy towards your thighs. Bring your chin to chest, round up the back. Cross the right leg to the left side, planting the foot on the ground. With your left arm, draw the knee onto the chest at the same time that you twist your spine to the right. Gaze over the shoulder, coming into half Lord of the Fishes. Bring it back to center. Place the right foot on top of your thigh. Inhale, rise up to the sky, passing through your heart. Exhale, reach for your left foot. Maintain the chest heavy and avoid bringing the shoulders up to the ears. Relax, chin to chest, round up the back. Bring the crown of the head up, crossing the left leg to the right side. With your right arm, hug your left leg. Twist your spine to your left side as you gaze over the shoulder. Looking behind you, maintain the chest open. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, bring it back to center. Left foot on top of the right thigh. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, reach for the right foot. Keep your chest heavy. Chin to chest, round up the back, and slowly bring it back to center. We prepare going into pigeon pose. As we cross the right leg to the left side and extend the left leg behind us. Feel the hips very heavy and bring your forearms down onto the ground. You may rest the forehead on top of your hands. As you continue breathing, you will create more space. If you find that there is more space in your body, in the hips, you may rest completely the forehead on your mat. In this pose, we open our hips and ease lower back pain. We continue breathing deeply through the nose and out the nose. Relax. Gently begin to lift up your chest by placing your fingertips on the ground. Chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Bring the chin up as you inhale. Exhale, bring it down. One more time, chin up. As you follow the rainbow, move your head side to side. Bring your chin parallel to the ground and swing the back leg forward. Slowly prepare to do pigeon on the left side. By crossing the left leg to the right, extend the right leg behind you. Feel the hips very heavy. Place your forearms on the ground and rest the forehead on top of your hands. Just like we previously did before, to keep our practice symmetrical, as you create more space in your body, you may rest your forehead directly on top of your mat. Breathe. Relax. Gently begin to lift up your chest as you place the fingertips on your mat. Keep the legs in place. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, bring the chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, down. One more time. Inhale, chin up. And move your head side to side, stretching your neck and shoulders. Take your time. Bring the chin down. Follow the collarbone. Bring it back to neutral and swing the back leg forward into Sukhasana, easy pose. Rest your hands on top of your knees. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale deeply. Exhale. So you can see the following pose a little better, I will turn around to face you. Extend your left arm to the side as you exhale, right arm over your ear. Maintain the chest lifted as you look up to the sky. Take a deep breath, and as you breathe out, windmill to the right side, extending your left arm over your ear as you maintain the chest lifted and you look up to the sky. Inhale. And as you exhale, windmill back to the left side, this time resting your left elbow on the ground for a deeper stretch. Continue breathing. Inhale. And as you exhale, windmill to the right side, resting your elbow on the ground for a deeper stretch to your torso. Continue breathing. Inhale. And as you exhale, windmill back to center. Shoulders down, chest up as you inhale. Exhale, round up the back. Chin down. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Lift up your chest. Exhale, rounding up your back. Inhale, chin up. Move your head side to side, stretching both sides of your neck. Gently begin to bring your chin parallel to the ground as you extend your legs forward in Dandasana, resting your elbows behind you. Lift up your chest and let gravity take the weight of your head, coming into fish pose. In this reclining pose, we expand the chest, we stretch the neck and the muscles between the ribs. Continue breathing. Relax. Softly bring your chin to chest, lay down on your mat. Hands overhead, give yourself a long, tall stretch. Gently draw the knees onto the chest. Move your legs around. Reach for the edges of your feet. Coming into full happy baby. Sway side to side, massage the lower back. Release your feet and begin to find a comfortable resting position. Coming into our final pose, Shavasana. In this quiet moment, still your thoughts and concentrate on your breath. Release worry, anxiety, and stress. Attune to your peace within. Find serenity, silence, and calmness. Let the stress melt away as you decompress and relax. Nurture your body, mind, and spirit so that once fully recharged, you are ready to re-enter the busy world with blissful calm. Begin to bring your awareness to the tip of your fingers, the tip of your toes, wiggling your toes, opening and closing your hands. Give yourself a long stretch, bringing the arms overhead. Begin to draw the knees onto the chest. Lay down on one side, whichever side your body prefers, coming into fetus pose. Continue cultivating peace in your heart. When you're ready, begin to find a seated position on your mat, coming into easy pose, Sukhasana. Rest your hands on top of your knees, maintain your shoulders relaxed and the chin parallel to the ground. Breathing deeply through the nose and out your nose. We seal our practice by extending the arms up to the sky as we inhale, exhale, hands down. Inhale, rising up to the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rise up, palms together. Exhale, hands to heart center and bow your head. May you always attune to the peace within. It was an honor for me to serve you once again. From the Aztec Caves in El Paso, Texas, to you, Namaste.